Hey guys, I'm back with another nail art tutorial. This one's a Christmas edition, perfect right in time for the holidays. And this one looks like it could be super difficult, but it's really not. It's only about 3 to 5 steps and that's it. So simple. So first thing you're going to want to do is go into your gel polish collection and pick your favorite shade of red. It doesn't matter the brand, it doesn't matter what shade you use, because we are going to be covering this red in a red chrome. And I've been getting a lot of questions about the way that chrome works, and I've been trying to answer as many comments as I can. But the number one question that I get is, how does the chrome powder stick into the polish? And I want to make it clear that you do have to dry or cure, is the proper term. You do have to cure any color gel that you use before you apply chrome. So I like to apply my color, whether it's black, French, or red, white, whatever gel you're using, and then you're going to cure it for at least 45 seconds. I like to do maybe 45 to 90, and then it shouldn't be dry because there's no top coat applied on this. So you want it to have that tackiness feel to it, because that is what allows the chrome to stick into it. I really hope that's clear. Maybe I'll do another in-depth tutorial on how to work with chrome, because I do like that chrome is back. It's made its comeback, and I hope it's kind of here for a little while longer, at least another year or two, because I really like to work with chrome. But yeah, that is how chrome works. It has to stick into the color gel that you choose, and just make sure that you're drying it. So I'm using this tool I got from Amazon. As usual, check the Amazon storefront, because everything I use is in there. And then you're going to just buff that chrome into this. I know a lot of people use their finger. I see sometimes people use like a little eyeshadow brush thingy. You can use whatever you want, really. So once that's done, you don't need to cure that yet. I'm going to go in with the matte top coat. And reason being is because I want this to look like a snow effect when I use the white. So just trust me, it all makes sense at the end. So add your favorite matte top coat. Gel is preferred. And you're going to also dry that for about 45 seconds minimum. Once your matte top coat is dry, you're going to go over top of the matte with some white line work. Now, this doesn't have to be perfect. Don't freak out. It doesn't have to be super precise, because you are going to do a little curve, because this is going to give us like our candy cane look. So I just kind of winged it here. I didn't know how many lines I was going to be able to fit on here, so I just kind of kept going until I ran out of space. So I think I got about maybe 6 lines on here, 5 or 6. And before you dry this, you want to add, this is the most important part to get that snow effect. You're going to add some clear acrylic on top of the white before you dry it. That is the key to this. That is the trick for it. Use whatever applicator you want and just go over top of that white with some clear acrylic. It doesn't have to be a lot, just enough to where all the white is covered. And then you're going to dry this for 45 seconds minimum. And that is how you get that snow effect with the white. Super simple. I told you guys it was not difficult at all. Like literally it takes like 2 minutes for this design. So I hope the chrome makes sense, guys, and let me know what you think.